Phone broken? Repair shops are too expensive. If your iPhone is just white screen, stuck in a reboot loop, failing to update the system, or simply freezing like a slideshow, it's probably not a hardware problem. It's a software one. You don't need to spend $200 to replace the motherboard, you just need this tool. So-called lag is often just a system error, which Gbyte standard repair can handle. Free scanning, repair cost is just the price of a meal. Or, if your phone has already been repaired elsewhere but all the data is gone, you can use Gbyte data recovery function. It can recover 20 or 30 types of data, any photos, videos, and chat software, and it's free scanning. You only pay after you see the data you want. Even better, if you and your family's iPhones are all affected, you can use its multi-device authorization, one-time payment, and it works out to almost nothing per person. Every penny counts. Follow me for more tech survival tips on avoiding unnecessary expenses.